To save your Weebly website without publishing it, follow these steps. Log into Weebly. Go to weebly.com and log in with your account credentials. Open the website editor. From your dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site to open the editor. Make edits and updates. Add new elements, text, images, or adjust the layout using the drag and drop editor. You can make as many changes as needed before making the website live. Save your progress. Weebly automatically saves your work in the background, so any changes you make are saved as drafts. However, to ensure your changes are saved, you can also click on File in the top left corner and select Save or press Ctrl+S or Command+S. Exit the editor. Once you are done making changes, you can exit the editor by clicking the Exit button in the top right corner of the screen. Your website will remain unpublished and none of your changes will be visible to the public. Access later. You can return to the editor at any time to continue editing your site before deciding to publish it.